ready to turn your Instagram followers into paying customers with zero friction. Today, we're diving deep into setting up your very own Instagram shop, a powerful tool to boost your e-commerce sales directly within the app. First things first, you'll need a business account if you haven't already. Convert your personal profile to a business profile. This is crucial for accessing shop features. Once you're a business account, head over to your profile, tap the hamburger menu, which are those three horizontal lines in the top right corner. From there, select Settings. Within Settings, you're looking for the shopping option. Tap on that. This is where the magic happens. To enable your shop, you need to connect a product catalog. This catalog is essentially a list of all the products you want to sell on Instagram. You can either create this catalog using Facebook's Business Manager or link an existing one from a supported e-commerce platform like Shopify, BigCommerce, or WooCommerce. If you're using a supported platform, the integration is usually quite seamless. Just follow the prompts to connect your store. If you're building from scratch, Facebook's Business Manager will guide you through uploading your product details, including images, descriptions, prices, and website links. Once your catalog is connected, you'll need to submit your account for review. Instagram's team will check your account and products to ensure they comply with their commerce policies. This review process can take a few days. Once approved, you're golden. You can now start tagging products in your posts, stories, and reels. Simply create a piece of content, and when you're at the tagging screen, you'll see an option to tag products. Select the products from your catalog, and voila! This allows your followers to tap on your tagged products and go directly to a product detail page within Instagram, complete with a view on website or buy on website button that links to your store. Remember, consistent, high-quality product photos and engaging descriptions are key to driving sales, so get creative and start building your Instagram commerce empire today.